Chapter 5: Marginalized Groups and Social Justice. These are the groups of the society which are most vulnerable to poverty and discrimination. They remained segregated from the society for a long time due to economic and social causes. Scheduled castes, backward classes, scheduled tribes are now recognized as economically weaker sections of the society, also known as marginalized section. The Constitution of India has made considerable constitutional provisions for their benefit and has provided them with special privileges. Constitutional Provisions 1. Article 15. It states that every citizen should be treated equally without any discrimination. 2. Article 46. Article 46 of the Indian Constitution states that it is the foremost duty of the state to protect all the sections of the society from social injustice done to them and all forms of exploitation. 3. Article 17. It states that untouchability is abolished and its practice in any form is forbidden. The enforcement of any disparity on the basis of untouchability shall be a punishable offence. 4. Article 338 and 338A. They state that there will be a National Commission for Scheduled Castes, SCs, and Scheduled Tribes, STs, which will ensure that constitutional provisions for their upliftment are followed and implemented. 5. Article 164. According to Article 164 of the Indian Constitution, the state of Bihar, Odisha, and Madhya Pradesh will appoint a minister in charge for the welfare of SCs, STs, and OBCs. 6. Article 16(4) of the Indian Constitution provides reservation of seats for OBCs in central and state government. 7. Article 340 provides provision for the appointment of the Commissioner to investigate the condition of OBCs and make recommendations for their betterment. Privileges. 22.5% seats are reserved for them, 15% for scheduled castes and 7.5% for scheduled tribes in government jobs. Seats are also reserved for them in educational institutions. Free coaching is being provided to the students of these caste groups who are appearing in various competitive examinations such as IAS and IPS, etc. Vocational training is being provided in tribal areas. Book banks have been set up in schools, colleges, and higher educational institutions to provide free books to scheduled castes and scheduled tribes candidates. Free hostel and residential facilities are provided for the girl students belonging to scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in higher education institutions, that is, universities, medical institutes, etc. Relaxation in upper age limit by 3 years in direct recruitment in government services is also given.